When you first open Schema Builder, the first thing you want to do is create a study. So to do this, click on the plus icon in the top right hand corner, where you'll be prompted to enter a name for your study. Let's call this one Demo Study. Click on the Create button, and within a few seconds, your new study will appear in the studies list. To start editing this study, click on the study and it will open up the modules screen. Every study in Schema should include at least one module, so to add your first module, click on the Add Module button. You'll be prompted to give a name for this module. Let's call this one Demo Module. And then once you click the next button, you'll also be prompted to select the type for this module. This just allows the user to know what type of content may exist within a module, and you can edit this at any time. So for now, let's just select Information and click Create. Within a few seconds, the module will appear in the modules list. To start adding information to the module, click on the module and it will open up the Editing Module screen. Every module should include at least one section with one or more elements. So to add your first section, click on the Add Section button, and to add an element, click on the Add Element button. There are a range of different elements to choose from. For now, let's just select Instruction and click the Add button. After you add an element, the Edit Element window will appear automatically. And you can edit a range of different attributes depending on the type of element that you've added. Some have more than others, but for instructions, let's just add some simple text. Welcome to the study. Click the Save button to save your changes. Section titles can be edited by clicking on the Edit Section button. We'll call this one Welcome. And we can continue to add elements and sections as we need. So let's add another element to this one. Let's say text input and say, what is your email address? So as you can see, different types of elements have different attributes that can be edited. So we can continue to add as many different elements as we need to. So let's add a slider. And so on and so forth. It's also possible to reorder the position of elements within a section by dragging on the reorder icon on the right and moving it into position. We can also copy elements within a section or between sections by opening up the Edit Elements window, clicking on the Copy button and selecting the section with which we would like to copy that element to. On the other hand, you can also delete an element by clicking on the Edit Element button, opening up the edit window and clicking on the trash can icon. This will delete the element. You can do the same thing for sections, which will delete the entire section. And the other option on the screen for sections is an ability to toggle a shuffle mode for sections. So if you see this icon, that means all the elements within this section will be randomly shuffled whenever this module is accessed. Or this icon means the elements will be presented in the order that you've displayed them here.